You can see them in a couple different panels here. And in particular, I am in a Google Calendar over here. And then I have an app running over here for Calendar Snack. Calendar Snack is part of this bad boy here, which is a AWS Calendar Invite server. So what I'm demonstrating today is I'm going into my personal calendar. I'm sending the data from my personal calendar into the AWS Calendar Invite server we've built. And this interface I'm in is a Vue.js app. It comes with the AWS Calendar Invite server for demo purposes and for experimentation or building a real app with it. Today, the point being is how simple it is to pump data into the AWS Calendar Invite server itself. So when you look at my current calendar, I just have a few events in here, upcoming events in chronological order for the AWS Calendar Invite server. And there they are there. There's 13 coming up. And as I scroll down, they're right there. Here's the 13 events. So the point is the athletic games, I just loaded one in. And what I'm going to do here is go to the 25th, how to load data in. Really simple. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to send it to this box here, create@calendarsnack.com. That's a configurable email box. That drops the calendar invite data off and it processes it. And under the process, what I just did there was I sent it here to the processing center. And if you will, what's going on here quickly is that data is set up in the email box. As I said, it's an SES domain that could be yours for routing. The point is we have a whole bunch of really nice APIs that are vetted out that work. And we sent millions of calendar invites on the AWS Calendar Invite server. Specifically, though, what happens in the mailbox itself, once it gets in there, is that we do a pre-processing run on it. We tear it apart and then we store it. So under storage, your data here for this game, for the athletics, is stored right here and ready to be summoned later to be sent with the calendar invite server itself to do either transactional marketing or embedded web calendar invites. So that said, I'm going to go back to the demo and you'll see here there were 13 events in there when we started the demo. There should be 14 now. And as I drill down through this, there you go, there's 14 events in there. We ate the calendar data, if you will. And that calendar data is right here, the 25th. You'll see right here, that data came off this calendar invitation here. We stuffed it into the AWS Calendar Invite server. So now we can, guess what, on the fly generate these really cool landing pages. I'm just going to generate this without decorating it. And you'll see that the data now is on our AWS upcoming landing page. And if you want, you could share this with somebody here at the top, put in somebody's email address, and then they click the button. And guess what? They get the calendar invite, and then we track it. Thanks for stopping by.